Hello, so we're making porridge yam. I love porridge yam, and I'm sure you like it too. You just need your yam peeled, cut to smaller sizes, and set on heat. You also need to fry onions, tomatoes separately because you want that perfect reddish color of porridge yam. So we're actually doing this using palm oil. You can use fresh tomato, you can use tomato paste. To your pot, cooking the yam, add some salt and continue stirring your tomatoes till it loses that sour taste. That taste you don't want to find in your food. Once that is done, transfer the fried tomatoes to the yam. You can add a little water if your yam is drying up. Add some crayfish, add chopped onion, a seasoning cube. So we're going to cover this and cook for the next 5 minutes. Then you stir. Wanna keep stirring this till the water thickens and looks exactly like this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.